In the past 10 years, the auto sector has undergone a complete transformation, accelerating towards new avenues of innovation and dynamic growth. Factors such as rapidly changing technology, global markets, demanding customers, and new products has resulted in this dramatic change. And the only way to stay ahead is to take a leap towards the next level. But the big question is, how do we do that? The answer is training.
Training. But isn't that time consuming? And how do I justify investment versus opportunity cost? And in a full range workshop, what are the level of people that need to be trained?
ट्रेनिंग और हमारे लिए सब मैकेनिक काम सीखते सीखते सीख जाते, प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग समझे। और वैसे भी बिना एक्सपीरियंस के कोई ऐसे ही थोड़ी ना किसी को सुपरवाइजर बना देता है। बात बताओ, आपके ट्रेनिंग में ऐसा क्या खास है जो हमको पहले से ही नहीं मालूम?
I am a graduate, but I am not sure how will I shape my career. I wish a job where I can utilize my qualification and learn practical managerial skill. Will this training help me anyway?
Trained employees would demand a higher remuneration, and if I don't pay them, they would leave and join another outlet. How would that benefit me?
छोटू चाह दे 1 बजे ओए। ट्रेनिंग? ओ सर जी, हम हाईवे के उस्ताद हैं उस्ताद। और आप कह रहे हो गड्डी चलाने की ट्रेनिंग फिर से लें? भाई किस बात की ट्रेनिंग है? वो भी गड्डी छोड़ के। कर लो बात।
Today, the needs of different people are dynamically changing, and this demands training at different levels and positions, right from grassroots mechanic level to that of the workshop owner. Each layer demands excellence and different skill sets, and this model has inspired Tata Motors to initiate a series of training programs that will equip the future of service excellence. Tata Motors Service Training, a multi-layered skill enhancement program that is meant to offer customized training programs for each level of manpower dedicated in automotive maintenance and servicing. This includes MSA, that is Master of Service Administration, that is specially designed for the next generation of existing workshop owners. Certified Workshop Manager degree that offers technical and managerial skill to workshop managers. Mechanic training programs for skill upgradation that imparts training skills in different service training centers across India and also through ITI upgradation schemes. And drivers training programs like Project Dronacharya and virtual driving training that is aimed at creating a pool of trained drivers for auto industry. These initiatives are aimed at enhancing skills for different profile of individuals who are connected with the business of commercial vehicles.
What about the location of this training?
Well, to begin with, there are 5 service training centers that are located in India: Pune, Jamshedpur, Pantnagar, Lucknow, and Namakkal. These state-of-the-art training centers are divided as per the product segments, equipped with modern classrooms, fully functional amenities, training aggregates, live working models, and cut sections. It is designed to perfection so that the trainees get a perfect combination of theoretical as well as practical knowledge of different applications. And you must be wondering, what are the durations of these training sessions? Well, The durations are also flexible, from short 2-day courses to long-term courses of 3 years for dealer apprentice. They are customized as per your training needs. But as they say, seeing is believing. Why don't you experience the true nature of this training program by being a part of it? Why don't you send or recommend one representative each, and then let's see the difference.
My father always wanted me to take the responsibility of the entire chain of workshops and service centers. Though I'm an automobile engineer, but he feels I must approach the business with a service mindset. I seriously don't know what it means. And hence, here I am, enrolled in Tata Motors Certified Masters in Service Administration. Dear Papa, I'm finally realizing why this training is so important. Because here I am, getting a foolproof training of everything that is crucial for service administration, from financial operations, supply chain, material management, business risk management, and even HR management. Everything that is important to develop the next generation of leadership in the dealership. And all this just happened in 1 month, after which I'll be assigned a live project at my office, reviewed by an eminent panel which certifies me as Masters in Service Administration. Papa, I'm now ready to take the plunge.
पहले दिन हमें लगा कि हम उस्तादों के सुपरवाइजर हैं, हमें क्या सिखाएंगे। फिर धीरे धीरे हम समझे कि जितनी जानकारी हमें बसों के बारे में थी उससे कई ज़्यादा जानना अब ज़रूरी है। जैसे सीएनजी इंजन के बारे में हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं था। यहाँ लखनऊ के प्लांट में सीएनजी इंजन के बारे में बाकायदा ट्रेनिंग दी गई। ट्रेनिंग के दौरान इंजन एग्रीगेट्स को डिसमेंटल करना और फिर रीअसेंबल करना, इन दोनों चीज़ों के बारे में ट्रेनिंग दी गई, बाकायदा सिखाया गया। फिर एक क्लास के दौरान BS3 और 4 फॉल्ट डायग्नोस्टिक्स के द्वारा आधुनिक एमिशन नॉर्म्स के बारे में बताया गया। पहली बार गाड़ियों के कट सेक्शंस और वर्किंग मॉडल्स पर काम करने का मौका मिला और उनके तकनीक के बारे में पता चला। अब तो हम सभी लोगों से कहते हैं कि भाई ट्रेनिंग ले लो, क्योंकि उस्ताद बने रहना है तो फिर ट्रेनिंग बहुत जरूरी है।
This program gave me so much. I was taught on a driver simulator. This is a virtual computer program that teaches the skills of safe driving during any weather and road conditions. And I could mention that 1 hour of this simulator is equivalent to 20 hours of actual driving experience. And what I liked most, that our trainers not only gave us all the details about aggregates, engine, suspension, gearbox, but they also demonstrated us functional cut sections for better understanding. And the workshop on lube oils was an eye-opener. They explained to us the different grades of lube oil and the importance of using the right lube oil. Demonstrations were shown on a crystal engine for a better understanding of the issue. Interestingly, they also showed us how the oil functions inside the engine. We were introduced to different interactive software, which tested our knowledge about lubricants. I scored decently well, but it wasn't enough to make it among the top 5. Then, we were taken to a 3D theater where we saw a film on lubricants. For the first time, I took a complete training course. This feels so much like home.
"19 June 2011, I knew my life is about to change. as soon as I stepped inside the training program. Tata Motors Certified Degree of Works Manager has all the key ingredients to impart technical and managerial skills through a specially designed curriculum. I am going to receive 3 months of classroom training that imparts theoretical knowledge about workshop management. And then I will receive 3 more months of hands-on training at Tata Service Training Center. That gives us complete technical know-how of all the technical functions and aggregates. 15 December 2011. Today, they are offering me 2 years apprenticeship at a dealer workshop, where we will be paid monthly stipend. I never thought in just 6 months my life would change so much, from a simple graduate to a full-fledged apprentice at a Tata dealer workshop.
अब हम ठहरे ये कि ट्रक ड्राइवर, गड्डी छोड़ के गड्डी के बारे में और जानकारी, ये बात मेरी समझ से बाहर थी। फिर एक दिन मेरे मालिक ने नई टेक्नोलॉजी वाली टाटा प्रेमा गाड़ी खरीदी। क्या खूबसूरत गड्डी है, कमाल। मेरा चलाने को मन चाहा। मालिक पता क्या बोला, अरे तुझसे नहीं चलेगी ये गड्डी। अरे होगा तू उस्ताद, तजुर्बा भी है तेरे पास, लेकिन ये खास टेक्नोलॉजी वाली नई गड्डी है, इसे चलाने के लिए खास ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत होती है। यही बात अपने दोस्तों से भी सुन रखी थी कि आजकल मार्केट में टाटा प्रेमा के ट्रेन ड्राइवर की बहुत डिमांड है। बस फिर क्या था, ये सब सोच के आ पहुंचे जमशेदपुर। यहाँ पहुंचे तो एक अलग ही दुनिया थी। जबरदस्त ट्रेनिंग है ये टाटा मोटर्स वालों की, बहुत मजा आया, बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला। मेरे को जी पहली बार टाटा प्रेमा गाड़ी की पूरी ट्रेनिंग मिली, सब कुछ एकदम इंटरनेशनल। उन्होंने गड्डी के एक एक पुर्जे की जानकारी दी और साथ में सिखाया गड्डी के मेंटेनेंस के बारे में, ड्राइविंग की हैबिट के बारे में। लेकिन सबसे अच्छी थी जी ड्राइविंग की ट्रेनिंग। टाटा प्रेमा के इंजन एग्रीगेट्स के बारे में बताया। भैया एक्सेल, गियर बॉक्स, सस्पेंशन बिल्कुल अलग है, कमाल। मैं तो दंग रह गया देख। सच पूछो, उस ट्रेनिंग ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया और ये एक एहसास भी हुआ कि वक्त के साथ चलो और हमेशा अपने आप को तैयार रखो वक्त के साथ चलने के लिए। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि अब मालिक ने तनख्वाह भी अच्छी कर दी है, पैसे आने लगे हैं, तो अपने परिवार को ज्यादा कुछ ही दे पा रहा हूँ। एक आम ड्राइवर इस ट्रेनिंग के बाद बन गया है ट्रेन ड्राइवर बलवंत सिंह।
Like these 5 stories of transformation, Tata Motors skill enhancement initiatives today aim at breaking the barriers of distance and time. By reaching out to those who cannot afford or access training programs at the centers, Tata Motors is widening the circle of confidence. By initiating skill enhancement programs across remote locations of India with a state-of-the-art mobile training center. A facility that aims at reaching out across remote locations and providing technical and driving training skill at the doorstep of every customer. With inbuilt features like working models of aggregates, cut sections of assemblies, driving simulators, e-learning facility, modern training equipments like LCD and charts. These vehicles are a boon to combat the training challenges like travel time, expenditures, and latest technology at the doorstep. As our world accelerates towards new heights of excellence, we are preparing the future phases of customer service with a circle of confidence.